Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get unbanned from Fortnite's voice chat. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So the first step is to understand the ban reason, review any notifications or messages you received regarding the ban. Common reasons include harassment, inappropriate language, or other violations of the community guidelines. The following step is to reflect on your behavior, consider your recent interactions in voice chat, acknowledge any behavior that may have led to the ban, and think about how to improve your communication in the future. The third step is to contact Epic Games support. Visit the Epic Games support website, submit a ticket explaining your situation, be polite and honest, express your willingness to comply with the rules in the future. The second last step is to wait for a response. After submitting your request, be patient. Support requests can take time to process, so don't send multiple inquiries. The last step is to follow up. If you haven't received a response after a reasonable time, usually a week, consider sending a follow-up message to check on the status of your inquiry. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.